Alright, so what we got going on right now? About to do some crazy stunts off my neighbor's roof into their pool. That boy right there. We got channel 2.
I'm about to start.
That's Matthew. No, you're not. Don't lie. Alright, we're gonna do some crazy stunts off of this roof.
Let's get it!
Right there. That roof right there. We about to do it in the pool. We got this. We gonna send it. We're gonna send it.
Let's go do that thing. Hi, doggies.
What's up?
Tucker! I met your dogs already.
Tucker, Steve, what's up?
Alright, go. Let me get my underwear.
This the crib. It's the crib. What's up, dogs? What's up, dogs? Hi. Hi, Steve. You miss me? Tucker, come here. Tucker. Tucker. Come here, Tucker. What are you doing? What are you doing, Tucker? These motherfuckers got a pig. What the fuck? Do you bite? Do you bite? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell. Oh, motherfucker. This thing about to attack me. Oh my gosh. No, I'm good. I'll stick with my puppies over here. Where's that young pool at? Where's that pool at?
Oh, my phone.
Where's that pool at? Oh, you make me open the door? Alright, let's go. Come on. Outside, no, pig. Pig, you stay inside. What the hell?
Look how dirty that pool is.
Dang. We about to send it. We gonna send it off that. Look at that fat gap. It's like a solid, like, 1.5 feet. Look at that gap. We out here.
I'm about to do it.
We out here.
I'm about to do it right now.
We out here. Yeah. Here he goes. Feet burning. Feet burning. Yo. Savage. What
you don't know is Colin Cartwright abandoned me from Mexico. He rescued me from Mexico. I don't know.
I abandoned you?
I don't know. We're out here.
I rescued you.
Yeah, you rescued me. There you go. Grammar. I need my grammar check. But yeah. What you don't know,
Come on, Tucker.
is that I went bars once because he wouldn't put the video in.
Tucker.
But who cares, right?
Tucker, come on. Come on.
Folks. Yeah, folks.
I know. When he gets
What's that, Ed? What's that, Ed?
This is bright. Send it. Yo, back from. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wait, I'm just gonna send it. Yeah.
No more. Brownies.
Yo, let me get
Have
that.
that. No more.
Check it. Ooh, edibles. Just kidding. These are real brownies.
Yes, very real. Real as
Very
you
good.
get.
Very good. Very good. Hey, yo, we got Steve.
How do I look like this?
We got microwave cooking up some burritos.
I need to get in there.
What's good? We're done swimming. Yup.
You're giving me ramen.
Yup. If you didn't notice, we're done swimming. What's good, everyone? We out here. We're making some food. Yo, Steven, shout out your YouTube channel.
Shout me out.
What's your YouTube
Subscribe
channel?
to me, Little Steve 243. Hit me up. I got like 17 subscribers. Make me catch up to him. Come on.
Yo, hit him up. Let's get it. It's a sad day at the Cartwright house. Goodbye. Oh, I would be so mad. You don't even know how mad I would be.
Do you have to take off stairs?
Where are we?
Fucking Ikea.
Ikea. We out here at Ikea. Colton, what are we doing?
Fucking world.
Hey, let's pose in front of this Dodge. I'll post it for the vlog.
Thumbnail. Damn.
Dude, that is the thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
Fuck yeah.
Thumbnail. We bought a Charger SRT in front of Ikea. Let's get it. Alright, so if you're wondering why we're going to Ikea, there's absolutely no reason whatsoever. It's a really big excavator. So we kicking it inside of Ikea. Let's get it. Let's get it. Here's the place. We going up. We going up on Friday. We going up. Oh boy, the scariest part of getting off. Oh, didn't get stuck. Didn't get stuck. I know. They have everything.
That's crazy.
Dude, just wait.
Technology.
This place is wonderful. This place is magical. Look at all the cool furniture.
What?
Look at all the furniture. Colton, what do you think of IKEA?
This is some bullshit.
Dude, look at Colton's pants. Hold on, let's appreciate Colton's pants. Turn around. Dude, this man is a water fountain of sweat. Look at this place. Look at this place. Hold this now. That's how you sure. Are you gonna buy this couch? Because if you're gonna tie your shoe on it, you better buy it.
New thumbnail.
You better buy it. You're right. So, yeah. What the hell are you two doing? We're gonna fight. We're in IKEA, and Colton and Matthew are out here fucking pillow fighting each other. Are the pillows pillow fight approved? Yeah, they're pillow fight approved apparently. In the mirror.
Look at me.
Fuck out of the way. Ooh, who that? Damn, who is that? What's up? Braille?
I stood up.
Garrett Reynolds, where you at? Yeah, I think we got lost inside of IKEA. Been wandering around for like 40 minutes. I think we got lost.
Officially lost.
I think we got lost. We've been in here for 3 days. 3 days inside of IKEA. We're getting a little freaked out. We've had to hit the food court 6 times. Go ahead. How are you doing? You got stomach ache. Are you alright? Are you okay, Cole?
I'm gonna die.
Don't throw up. Don't throw up on the days. Don't do it. Don't do it. This is funny. Come on. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Watch this epic ass kill cam. Where did that? Hold on. Let me skip forward. Alright, here we go. You ain't ready. Alright. So here's me, my little axe, and here's this dude with a assault rifle, and of all things I choose to kill him with, I pull that flashbang and I threw the flashbang and
Look at that, and it bounced off. Look at that. Dun, dun, dun,
yeah, and then there goes the flashbang just like off into the abyss.
Dun, dun. Oh, that's she gone.
Yeah. Yeah, but that man died.
He's gone, dude.
He died by that flashbang.
He died from a flashbang.
And niggas.
And there's me, just
and he's just walking.
Pro level.
Like nothing happened. And he's walking.
Pro level, but yeah.
Alright, goodbye.